if you're finished, please get back to your own seat. Please take a seat. Okay, so did you have fun? Nice. Okay, so let's do some reviewing here. Okay, so remember on Monday and Wednesday we talked about, what did we talk about? Okay, yes, modal verbs. Okay, modal verbs. So what are some of the modal verbs that you still remember? Okay, please remember something. Okay, so yes, that's a very, very common one, right? Can. Okay, can. What's something else that's similar to can? Hint, when you are being polite and you want to ask your friend to pass you the salt, for example, so you say, could, good job. Could you pass me the salt? Okay, could. Awesome. Okay, what else? Nice, something similar to could. Okay, yes, substitute with a W. Would. Okay, would. How do we use would? Oh, nice. Would you marry me? Oh, you're already thinking about your proposal at this age? Okay, would you marry me? Okay, will you marry me? Yeah, both works. Okay, so that gives you will. And what else? Something similar? Should. Good job. Should. Okay, so what should you do today as a chore? Yes, okay, Max, you need to take out the trash for your mom, remember, okay? Should, and what else? Another sound, okay? I heard you. Shall, okay. Shall, good job. Okay, so when do we use shall? Just some reviewing here. Yes, if you look at, oh, you like to watch romantic comedies? Okay, me too. So you will see, oh, a guy inviting a girl to dance. So he would say, yes, shall we dance? Okay, shall. Okay, so, okay, there are still more, but then now we're gonna leave it here because I'm gonna introduce you to a little game here. Yes, you get excited when you hear that word. Okay, so here I have a little die. Okay, so I have written some of the modal verbs that we have discussed before, and later on, I will distribute the dice to you guys. So each group will get one die. Okay, so let's see how many groups we should divide you into. Okay. Now, we don't have everyone here today, right? So I think I'm gonna divide you into, let's say, 4 groups. Okay, so later on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take turns. Okay, so everyone has the chance to throw the die. So, for example, let me do it for you. So if you throw the die, so let me see. I'm gonna throw it. Okay, so what did I have? I have must. Okay. So now I have to use must to create a question, actually. Question, okay. So who can give me a question with must? Kevin? Yes! Must I really do the homework today? Okay, good job. Okay, so then you're gonna ask your friend in the group, and then they have to answer you. Someone has to answer you. Okay, you can appoint someone. So for example, Max, you can ask Kevin and say, must I really do the homework today? Can you do it for me? Okay, and then Kevin have to answer also with must. Okay, so what can Kevin say? Kevin? Okay, yes, you must. Okay, or you can do a longer sentence. Yes, you must do the homework by yourself. I'm not gonna do it for you. Okay, good job. Okay, so you got it? Okay, now we're gonna divide, let's see. So these people, you're in one group, and then from this line, to here, you're one group. From here, this line, from you, Lily, you to Christopher. Right, these people are in the group, and the rest you are group. Okay? Okay, we'll be back after. Let's see how long we're gonna play this game for. Until the class ends? No. Okay, because later we still have something else to talk about. So let's say we do it first for 10 minutes and I'm gonna walk around. If you ever have any questions, you can always ask me. And yeah, and if you need more time later, you're having too much fun, then we can maybe extend it a little bit. Okay, so let's see later. Okay. Okay, so I heard some people, okay, during the game, some people has raised some questions, right? Okay, so for example, some people, when you say, you use the modal verbs, right? Okay, so for example, let's take the example I used previously. So when you say, must I do the homework? Okay, so the person who answers, okay, sometimes some people will say, yes, you do. Because that's a common word that we use, you do. Okay, but remember, you have to answer with the modal verb in the question. Okay, so when I say, must I do the homework? You have to say, yes, you must. Okay, you have to use it in your answer too. Okay, so let's take another example. So let's say, could. Okay, so for example, if I ask you, okay, Amy, if I say, could you do me a favor? Of course you can say yes. Yeah, you can use one word to answer. But if you wanna, now we're trying to practice this, right? So you have to use it. So let's say, let me ask you again. Could you do me a favor? Okay, then you can say, yes, I could. Okay, don't say yes, I do. Okay, so yes, I could. Okay, got it? Okay, so let's do the game for another round. Okay, so maybe another 5 minutes and we'll come back.